Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by switching to a professional account and verifying core info. That enables the dashboard. Once done, open your profile and tap the dashboard button at the top. Make sure contact, category, and public business info are complete so insights and tools populate correctly. This first step unlocks performance data and promotions. If you don't see metrics immediately, refresh the app or wait a few minutes for Instagram to index the account. Once in the dashboard, dive into insights to compare reach, impressions, saves, and profile visits. These tell you what content resonates. Then examine audience details, top locations, age ranges, and active times, and use that to pick posting windows. Meanwhile, explore tools. Schedule posts, create promotions with budget and duration, and set quick replies for DMs to scale responses. These middle steps turn raw metrics into repeatable actions that grow engagement over time. To finish, build a 30-day plan based on your top-performing posts and audience active times. Prioritize formats that drive saves and shares. Then run controlled tests, changing only one variable at a time, for example post time versus caption length, so you learn what truly moves metrics. Finally, automate repeats of winners and monitor weekly. If the dashboard shows no data or tools fail, log out and back in, clear app cache, and only then contact Instagram support as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.